Want a cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our Precut Taillight Tint, but what you might not know is that Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to windowtinting.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this BMW 2 Series and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillight lens. So we're going to need two solutions in order to do the prep and the installation. Our first solution is slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. And our second solution is tack solution, which contains isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. So for your first solution, the slip solution, just apply it onto the lens. And with a clean microfiber towel, make sure to remove any contaminants that the taillight may have. And also clean around the area of the paint, just in case the tint does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants. Now for the second solution is your tack solution. So just spray it onto your microfiber towel and just wipe off any contaminants that the taillight may have. This will help remove any wax, oils, or grease, or any coating that the lens may have. So once you finish prepping the taillight lens, now we can start with the installation. We're going to start with piece number 1, which covers this section here of the lens. So apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And make sure you align it right on the edge right here. So align the film right here. Lift it carefully. Then apply tack solution underneath the film. Make sure to keep it aligned. If you need to adjust it, you can. Should be good there. Hold it in position. Grab your squeegee and tack it down. Make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath this section of the film. And once you secure this end here, just follow through. Make sure you align it to the shape of the design of this section of the lens. So just align it, follow it, and tack it down slowly. To help it tack down a little bit more, you can lift a little bit on this end and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Start tacking it down. Make sure to remove all of the solution underneath and just bring all of the solution to this side, to this edge right here. And now with this tint, you are going to notice that it has this section of the tint that is trying to cover this curved area here. In order to seal it, make sure to squeegee out all the solution that's around this area here. And once you squeegee it out, you're going to need to apply heat. You can use a heat gun or a hair dryer and apply heat around this area. And with your microfiber towel, just help it tack down on the edge. That way it doesn't lift over time. So heat gun or hair dryer, low setting, apply heat, and just help it tack down. To make sure that the film did tack down and it's not lifting, just pass your finger on the edges. If your finger isn't catching the edges, then you should be good to go. But if it is catching, let's say, one of the edges, just continue applying heat and just help it tack down. So for piece number 2, same process, apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, we want to start by aligning the film on this edge right here. So align it right on the edge. Make sure it's aligned top, side, and bottom. Lift it carefully and apply tack solution underneath. That way we're able to start securing this edge. Once you secured this section here, we're going to come to the middle section here and just do a small little stretch. That way the film is able to cover up to the edge of the curve on this section here. And also you will notice that the film has a small slit here. That slit is to help cover this curve of the taillight right here. So that way it sits properly and it doesn't affect or crease around that area. So just stretch it just a little bit. And if the film is not stretching, you can apply slip solution. So just stretch it just a little bit, not too much. And once you have the film on the corner here of the curve, hold it and start tagging it down. That way we could secure it and it doesn't come back to its original shape. Make sure you remove all the solution underneath the film. So once this section is secured, our last step is to finish stretching the film and tacking this part to this section of the lens. So same step, if the film is not slippery or you're not able to move it around or stretch it, apply slip solution. Make sure the top section is dry. That way you're able to place your hand and stretch the film. So you want to stretch it going at an angle like this. That way you're able to help the tint pour into the design of the tail light. So like this. Help it stretch and curve it to the design. So as you can see, all the fingers we had here have flattened out. Hold the film just for a little bit. That way the adhesive is starting to activate on the lens. Spray tack solution on top as you're holding the film. Grab your squeegee and start tagging it down to secure it. Make sure you remove all the solution underneath the film and then secure the top end. That way it's not lifting. And that's pretty much it for this section here. Once we've tacked down, if you do notice any fingers on the top edge here, apply heat with tack solution. That way we're able to seal it. Also here on the bottom, make sure to seal it since it is still lifting around this section of the curve. Because of the curve here, make sure to apply heat as well. Use your microfiber towel to seal it with heat. So tack solution where you're going to apply heat, grab your heat gun or your heat device, low setting, and as you're applying heat, make sure you apply it evenly. Don't focus on one area for too long. And then use your microfiber towel just to help it tag down. And then once you're done sealing the bottom and the top section here and removing the fingers, we can move on with this piece. And also, before you move on to the last piece, don't forget to seal all of the edge here of the curve because you may encounter these small little fingers. Same process as how we did it here and here. Just apply tack solution, a little bit of heat using the low setting and your microfiber towel to tack and seal everything. So for piece number 3, same process, apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, just make sure you align it on this section here first. So align it right on the edge. Lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath the film. Place it down slowly and making sure everything stays aligned. So the top is covered all the way through to the bottom. And now we just start securing it. Make sure to remove all the solution underneath the film. Make sure the top is being aligned as well. So if you need to lift it to readjust it, you can. And then once this is secured, we're going to lift the film here. Make sure to keep it aligned on the top section here. And just follow through until you reach to the other end. And then to remove any fingers that you may encounter around this area here, just help them tack down and then apply a little bit of heat with tack solution and you should be good. But before you apply heat, make sure to remove all the solution underneath this area here. Since there is a small little bump, some of the solution may be trapped around here, so make sure to remove it before sealing the edges. Now apply tack solution, apply heat, use your microfiber towel to seal and you should be good. So once you finish with the entire installation for the taillight tint, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire film. So to post heat, you're going to need your tack solution, spray it onto the lens, and we're going to use either a heat gun or a hair dryer. Use the lowest setting for this part, apply heat evenly throughout the entire lens, and as you're applying heat, just use your microfiber towel and do the same method as how we were doing it before when it came to sealing the edges here. So just use the microfiber towel to seal your edges. Take your time doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight Tints for the BMW 2 Series. I hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you're missing any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.